In this video, you will learn how to make your man afraid to lose you. I know exactly why you want to make him afraid of losing you. Perhaps you feel taken for granted, or maybe you want him to put more effort into the relationship, or maybe you just want to remind him of your value and importance in the relationship. So, that's why in this video, I'm going to show you what makes men's drive and attraction towards you go away. When do men usually worry about losing their partner? 3 things to do to wake him up and make him worry about losing you. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing a beautiful relationship, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, let's get into the video. What makes men's drive and attraction towards you go away? You see, if a man never worries that you would leave him, or that he could lose you, he will never love, value, and appreciate you the way he should. Do you remember the beginning of your relationship, when you weren't so sure of how he feels? Well, that uncertainty becomes incredibly powerful, sometimes even more powerful than your desire for him. The same is true for men. When they really want a woman, he wants you to like him, so he's going to be thoughtful and sweet. He wants your affection. Now, what happens when he has no fear of you ever leaving him? What happens when he knows you're obsessed with him? What happens when he knows that you need him, and you are terrified of losing him? Well, then he no longer has to try so hard. He no longer has to work on securing your love and attention. If he has no fear of ever losing you, he can underappreciate you and give you minimal effort. And that's when you start to feel like he really doesn't care about you as he did before. He's completely secure and overconfident. And usually, that is a result of you over-investing and giving too much. But when you complete the 3 powerful steps I'm about to show you, he will become worried about losing you, and that will reignite his love. When do men usually worry about losing their partner? You don't know what you have until it's gone. This is true for relationships. You don't realize how much you need someone until that person is gone from your life. This happens in so many relationships. Many men don't give enough effort or attention to their partners and think they are just there complaining. They don't take any action. But when the woman decides that she has had enough and tries to leave, that's when the man wakes up and tries to stop her. He now realizes the size of the situation, and then he is ready to do whatever it takes. But sadly, we all know that it's too late at that point. So that's why it's better to motivate him now, before it's too late. 3 things to do to wake him up and make him worry about losing you. Number 1, prioritize your needs. It's common to get very focused on their partner, and they forget to take good care of themselves. When you are angry or sad about something he did, it consumes so much of your energy. It has an impact on your whole life, and then you neglect the things that are important to you. So force yourself to focus on you. So make sure to prioritize you, and make sure that you maintain your life before meeting him. This will show him that you are a high-value woman, and he will know that if he doesn't give you enough attention, you are going to go away. Number 2, stop giving him everything he wants. When you give everything he wants, why does he want to try harder? If he is getting all of his needs met, why should he change? So you need to stop giving him everything he wants and set some boundaries for yourself. That means you have to start saying no to him. Both of you should give equal effort to the relationship. And if you are the one doing all the compromises, he doesn't have to try. So again, stop giving everything he asks for. Number 3, raise your standard and expectations. When someone is in love, they oftentimes are willing to compromise their standards. And when you do that, you are stating low standards. If there is something he does that you don't agree with, or that doesn't meet your standards, you can simply reject it. Keep your standards high. Then he knows that he has to respect you and meet your standards, or he might lose you. This will trigger his fear of losing you. Okay, but you have to understand, when he is worried about losing you, that doesn't mean that he is obsessed with you and completely attached to you. You can create a beautiful relationship if he is addicted and dedicated to you. And that's why I've got a free swipe file to make any man addicted to you, down below in the description. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.